I'm alive! Hooray! I have been getting so many comments and messages on all of my social media asking me if I am coming back to YouTube, and here I am back on YouTube. I took a little bit of a hiatus, so I just wanted to give you guys a life update. Yes, I am alive. Yes, I am good. I am happy and better than ever. I had probably the hardest year of my life this last year, and so I decided to take a little bit of a hiatus from YouTube just for some mental health, and it helped immensely. There are certain things that happened in this last year that I am not going to talk about. If you follow me on social media, then you already are in the know. So that is in the past, and I am moving right along. But there are lots of new things happening. So if you guys watched my YouTube videos in this last year, you saw that I changed my filming space into my office space. I am actually letting go of the lease of that office space because now I am living all alone in this big giant house. Not that I have a giant house, but I have a lot of extra space now. So now I am going to move my filming back into my house. I am also having a sale of all of my stuff. So if you are in Southern California, I am doing a sale. Check out my social media. It is going to be on October 7th from noon to 5 in West Covina. So if you're interested in buying any vintage things, I'm selling a lot of things from my house and a lot of clothing and all of that kind of stuff. So check that out. You might be watching this video after that date has passed. And if that's the case, sorry, too bad, so sad. But yes, I have a lot of exciting new things in the works, lots of new travels. I have a new fella, if any of you guys have been watching, and I've been getting lots of questions about him as well. He actually is very private, and his profiles are private, so you guys are probably all wondering who he is and what he's all about. His name is Jimmy. I am not going to be doing an introduction video. I'm actually going to try to keep this relationship a little bit more private, so you will see him on my Instagram, in my stories and all of that from time to time, and we do travel a lot together, so you'll see pictures of him and stuff like that, but he is not going to be as involved in my pages because, you know what, sometimes you need to just keep your private life a little bit more private, and that's okay. I am, like I said, going to be making more YouTube videos, and I am totally open to suggestions of things that you guys want to see, so please, in the comments below, leave me suggestions of new videos you want me to make, new content. I'm really excited to start this new chapter of my life and to share it with all of you guys and to make you guys new and more awesome content, and I am happy that so many of you have stuck around with me through this crazy year. A lot of what went wrong in this last year was my depression. I went through probably the lowest dip in my depression that I have ever had in my life. So it's very nice now that the clouds have parted and I'm feeling positive and I'm ready to go and create content and awesome things for you guys and get back on the horse. So you guys, please in the comments below leave me suggestions of things that you guys want to see. And again, thank you guys so much for following, continuing to follow, even though I know everything has kind of slowed down, but you guys have always been there, and I love all of my babes and I always will. And I'm ready. Back and ready for action. So please definitely keep following and keep subscribing and turn on your notifications so that you're seeing my content because it's about to get real. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one, but for real this time. All right, bye guys. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Be sure to check out these other videos that I have posted to see more of my wackiness. And if you want to see even more of my wackiness, be sure to subscribe for all things that are vintage and retro and general silliness.